Gabi Pilipinas, Inday Maharlika is back. Anyway, congratulations to the provinces na winner sa ating Pizza Sumada nationwide. Did it on February 25, 2025. Of course, panalong-panalo natin dyan ang probinsya ng Cavite sa number na 3820 during second draw. Anyway, today is February 26, 2025, araw ng mga bagong silang or bagong buhay. Hello, Philippines! Inday Maharlika is back and here we now to our given number na 226. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay may dalawang klase ang buhay. Buhay na matagumpay or buhay na punong-puno ng paghihirap sa buhay. And here we now po number 2 ay sa number 1424. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay nahulog sa munting tahanan or nahulog ang munting sasakyan. Why I choose 1424 for number 20 was 14 plus 2 plus 4 equals to number 20, and 20 is belongs to number 2. And for number 26, I choose number 2420. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay sasakyang nakaw lang. So why I choose 2420? Because of 20 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 26. And for number 20 sa ating legendaring 2025, ang magnanakaw ng kaligayahan or nawawalan ng swerte. And for number 28, number 1433, yun ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay nahulog sa kakatakbo. So why I use 1433? Because 14 plus 3 equals to 7 plus 6 equals number 20. And for 25, I use number 1726, na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mas pinili niyang malandi sa kanyang tinatahak na buhay. So why it is 1726 because 17 plus 2 equals 19 plus 6 equals number 25. And here we now for the first lucky number for today, February 26, 2025. Araw ng buhay is, of course, 14 plus 24 equals to 38 and 24 minus 20 equals to number 4. So our first lucky number for today is number 38-4. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay maraming tao sa kabaong. And of course, turn up for our second lucky numbers. 14 minus 33 equals to 19 and 17 minus 26 equals to 9. So our second lucky number, we have the number of 99 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mag-asawang chismosa. And of course, turn up our strongest number for today, February 26, 2025. Kumapit na dahil narito nating mga strongest numbers na magbibigay panalo sa inyo nationwide. Of course, 38 minus 4 equals to 34 and 19 plus 9 equals to 28. Ang ating 34 ay pwede sa maging 25. Ang ating 28 pwede siya maging 10. So our strongest number for today, February 26, 2025, araw ng buhay, of course, 34-25, 34-10, 34-28, 28-10, 28-25, or 25-10. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para like ang updated. Maaari na kayong magpakod ng mga birthdays, anniversaries, or any occasion upang mabigyan natin ng numero na sa inyo ay magpapanalo o galing mag-subscribe para like ang updated. God bless!